Okay, this is a recap for the quadratic inequality that we were solving. So we have 2x squared plus 7x minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. And let me change the color. Okay, so you want to factor this out first. So you're going to have 2x minus 1 times x plus 4. And just to verify, you will get the 2x squared plus 8x minus 7x minus 4. Minus 1x minus 4. And that will give you the same equation right here. Okay. So the thing about it is you have your equation that has to be less than or equal to 0. Okay. So you know that if you have two numbers that's multiplied by each other. Let's say you have A times B less than or equal to 0. You're either going to have a positive A and a negative B, or a negative A and a positive B. Okay? So the next thing to figure out is you'll know one of these will either be positive or negative. And let's go and figure out how we can set this. So you have 2x minus 1. That can be less than or equal to 0. And if that's going to be negative, then the other side would have to be positive, right? So then you have x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. Or it would be reversed. You'll get 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Or you'll have x plus 4 less than or equal to 0. So the next thing to do is figure out which one is going to give you the right term. And mind you, this would be and. Oops. Erase that. This would be and right here. So you have two situations you can go for. So first, let's solve for this situation. You have 2x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. You're going to get x is less than or equal to 1/2, and then you'll have x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 0, and again you'll solve for x is greater than or equal to -4. Okay, so will this one satisfy your equation? Will you have a x value that is less than 1/2 and greater than -4? So let's look at it on a number line. So you have -4 and you have 1/2. So which one would work the best? Can you have an x that's less than 1/2 but greater than -4? The answer is yes. So you're just going to go ahead and graph this as having an x value in between -4 and 1/2. And since they're less than or equal to 1/2, it's going to be a closed 0. And since it's greater than or equal to -4, it's going to be a closed circle. Okay?